Ganito muna. I am here because I am the regional chairman of the Peace and Order Council, and in that capacity, nakikiramay ako dito kasi ang area ko is Region 11.
Sir, with this...
It to show support.
Mayor, nagbigay daw po kayo, magbibigay ba kayo ng
Hindi, wala.
sa family?
Oh yes, maybe. I'll try to talk to the city council. Magbigay kami.
Mga how much Mayor will be given?
I don't know. City council yan eh. Leave that discretion to them.
So it depends on the city council kung magkano yung i-allocate nila for that assistance.
Well, I'll give a benchmark. Hindi ko na sabihin ngayon. But start from this amount and
Mayor, do you agree with Senator Linguana's proposal? Yung Truth Commission will be composed of Tanyada, Davide, and Lavinia.
Ramos is supporting it. General Ramos. Ako, may idea na ako. Because day one pa lang, galit na ako. Anyway, galing kasi ako Andros Air Base nung gabing yon. So, more or less may idea ako. Kaya sabi ko na we were not supposed to be there. Government security forces should not have been there. Kasi covered yung jurisdiction 105, kampo ng MI. There's a fundamental flaw there. Because when they signed the accord, they should have, place some caveat or provision there that government cannot enter, but in cases where there is a warrant of arrest to be implemented, that the MI camp should surrender the person if it's in a... Ang nangyari kasi doon, they provided the sanctuary. So more or less, yung wala tayong problema doon sa warrant. There are so many thousands of warrants of arrest issued every day all over the Philippines. And it is addressed to the law enforcement agencies to effect the arrest. To arrest and detain and to be brought to the court issuing the warrant of arrest. Ang problema niyan, there was an absolute parameter in this sense that we were not allowed to go in. And I said, I believe that the MILF camp provided sanctuary for the two terrorists. But yung kasing ang ano lang doon is, meron tayong valid warrant of arrest issued by a competent court. Problem is, by the accord, may limitasyon yon. It cannot be enforced inside. Otherwise, they could have just demanded the release and bring them out. But I don't think it would have been a workable solution at that time.
Sir, with this...
Ang analong ako kasi I said I'm angry because the 48 or 44, which is really accurate number, were sacrificed needlessly. Sabi ko na kami doon sa Andros Air Base pala nagbubulungan how do we do it? So ang army talaga hold, because the army itself, armed forces, is a signatory to that accord. Kaya pinigilan talaga nila. I will go for the Truth Commission if it's possible. Kanya-kanya silang diskarte. Justice Department, Ombudsman, now the House, then the Truth Commission. If I may suggest, just form an independent body. Tawag na muna yung, it will model up then maybe yung Board of Inquiry sa police. Kanila lang yun. They might want to reduce the number of load.
Mayor, is it still necessary kahit may BOI na under commission?
No, a Board of Inquiry is within. Internal yan eh. Sa kanila lang yan. So people would expect that somehow pabor sa kanila. And I expect also that they will not be able to justify.
Mayor,
Kasi pumasok talaga sila noon. Gagaya ng boundary na yan, they weren't supposed to come here.
Mayor, do you suggest na invite din ng Truth Commission or Board of Inquiry si Pinoy?
He's lukewarm to it. Medyo, kuhaan siya. They're playing hot and cold there. But ang original talaga niyan should be the Justice Department. Kasi, kung ilagay mo sa ombudsman, hindi kanilang jurisdiction yung mga tao doon. Remember that the ombudsman should only investigate government people. Ang taga-gobyerno lang. So you cannot somehow, kasi halo doon eh. If you want to start an investigation, you do it with yung tinamaan, pati yung nilusob. Yung nilusob, hindi yung gobyerno. So hindi pwede sa ombudsman yan because only government people are investigated by the ombudsman. So I'd rather, sabagay itong board of inquiry, para sa akin tama na yan. But what is very sure actually is the chain of command was not followed. Kinat nila. So there were just about the retired general, Purisima, and I do not know who were present at that time.
Do you think,
Sabi nila si Ochoa,
Mayor, doon nagsimula yung lapses or may lapses na sa planning itself?
hindi, pagka kinat mo yung chain of command, kaya tama yan kay Presidente Ramos eh. Kung may ipatrabaho ka isang unit ng gobyerno, may chain of command dyan sila. And they could have prepared better. Yan ang. So I said I'm angry and I'm sad because of the loss of. Hindi naman innocent kasi ano ito, firefighting security forces to may baril. But they were led into something which they believe it was when it was not. Kasi nga doon sa Malacañang lang ang kinat ni Presidente yung chain of command. Kasi kaya yung si Ramos, ganoon din.
So, sir, anong gusto mong independent body ang magsagawa ng
No,
investigation?
I leave it to the President.
Sir, when you said na kinat ni President yung chain of command, ibig sabihin ba nun na malaking pagkakamali yun?
Mali talaga. Yan, no? Si Espina ang suspendido yung tao, Purisima. So Purisima, having been suspended, should not have worked at that time on police matters. So as far as the ombudsman is concerned, when you are suspended, you leave the premises. So you are no longer the actor. Dapat si Espina dito. Maybe to a certain extent sa Rojas. Kasi ang okay yan, alam mo? Tender my resignation. Whoever the other, out of delicadeza.
Who will tender this resignation, sir?
Again?
Who will tender the resignation?
Ako ba? Kung ako yun,
For the president.
wala pala. Ay, bahala rin sa kanila. Whoever is, bato-bato sa langit, tamaan o magalit. Basta,
Mayor, may kasalanan po ba si President kasi si Purisima yung pinili niya na makatrabaho at that time?
there is the irregularity there. May irregularity. Kasi idaan mo, gamitin mo ang police, doon ka sa head ng police. Gamitin mo ang armed forces, doon ka punta sa Aguinaldo.
So is it just
Then you tell them to do this job and leave the nitty-gritty matters of paano atakihin, paano. Kanila na yan. Trabaho nila yan. Bakit mo?
So is it justifiable na tinanggal niya sa serbisyo sa SPA?
Well, there was this, Purisima was facing graft charges. Okay, so he was suspended by the ombudsman. At that time, he should not have acted or exercised the powers of the office because he was a non-entity at that time. Suspendido ka eh. At tapos sila yung nagplano. O wala ba ako, galit lang ako sa bakit pinapasok nila yung mga sundalo na At saka kami, isa, dalawa, tatlo, okay pa ako. Putang ina, 44 innocent lives. Hindi ko matanggap yan. Buhay yan.
Mayor, is it the right one na tinanggal sa serbisyo yung head ng SAP?
No. Well, there will be a time for reckoning for that. But when they open their mouth, it's gonna be an added trouble for everybody there. Obviously, the one who participated and the one who ignored the chain of command. Kaya may police ka. Ano bang bakit pag ginawa niya si Espina dyan na ginawa gago? Bakit pa pala ilagay dyan tapos i-short circuit mo yung...
Sir, Purisima sir is suspended. How do we go with dealing Purisima? Can we file charges or whatever?
if ever, at the end of the day, if they find enough evidence, wala tayong magawa. Ako sa totoo lang, I am not after anybody's neck. I am not after for the imprisonment of anyone. Ipalabas mo lang ang totoo, okay na sa akin. So what would follow is a speculative.
Mayor, what do you think is the hidden agenda behind this planning?
Yan ang hindi natin maano. Why was it so secret?
Praying words for you. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. I am the resurrection and the life, being born. Our
Cuts. Relax.
Drop!